In this media, you will learn about different types of DC motors. DC motors are classified as series, shunt, and compound motors based on its armature and field winding connections. In series motor, field windings are connected in series with the armature windings. As the field winding has more cross-sectional area with less number of turns, the series field resistance is less than armature resistance. The load current is equal to the armature current or series field current. The supply voltage drops across field windings and armature windings. The voltage equation becomes V equals E sub B plus I sub A times R sub A plus R sub SE. The flux is directly proportional to the armature current or series field current, because entire armature current is delivered to the series field. In case of shunt motor, field windings are connected in parallel with the armature windings. As the field winding has less cross-sectional area with more number of turns, the shunt field resistance is more than the armature resistance. The load current is the sum of armature and shunt field currents. The same voltage will develop across the armature and field windings. The voltage equation becomes V equals E sub B plus I sub A times R sub A. The flux produced by the field winding is directly proportional to the current passing through it. Compound motors are the motors which have both the series and shunt field windings. Compound motors are classified as long shunt and short shunt compound motors. In long shunt compound motors, the shunt field winding is connected parallel to the series combination of series field and armature windings. The load current is sum of armature and shunt field currents. The voltage equation becomes V equals E sub B plus I sub A times R sub A plus R sub SE. In case of short shunt compound motor, the series field is connected series to the parallel combination of armature and shunt field winding. The load current is equal to the series field current or sum of armature and shunt field currents. The voltage equation becomes V equals E sub B plus I sub SE times R sub SE plus I sub A times R sub A. The compound motors are further classified into cumulative and differential compound motors. In cumulative compound motor, series field flux and shunt field flux are in the same direction. Whereas, in differential compound motor, series field flux opposes the direction of shunt field flux. Thus, you have learnt about the different types of DC motors.